9 items I'll never buy again. My smartest decisions revealed. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share with you my top 9 smart choices, the items I've decided not to buy again. While traditional saving methods aren't my thing, I believe in making intelligent financial decisions to grow wealth and improve our lives. Number 1. Physical books. Don't get me wrong, reading is crucial for personal growth. But let's think smart. Instead of cluttering our space with books, consider a digital alternative like Kindle or borrowing from the library's app, Libby. Knowledge is a lasting investment, and these options keep our minds sharp without filling our shelves. Number 2. Brand new cars. I know the allure of a fresh car, but the truth is, they depreciate rapidly. Instead, consider buying a reliable used car or investing the money for greater returns. You'll thank yourself later when you can afford that dream car without breaking the bank. Number 3. Souvenirs. Traveling is fantastic, and memories are priceless. Skip the knickknacks and opt for capturing your experiences in a journal or vlog. Trust me, reminiscing through words or videos brings back more memories than any souvenir ever could. Number 4. Chasing the latest technology. While tech upgrades seem enticing, ask yourself if it truly enhances your life. Often, the marginal increase in happiness isn't worth the hefty price tag. Invest your money in experiences or education that will truly enrich your life. Number 5. The allure of sales. Don't be fooled by enticing discounts. If you were already planning to buy an item and it's on sale, great. But avoid buying things just because they're discounted. These purchases often lead to wasted money on things we never needed. Number 6. Investments you don't understand. It's tempting to follow the crowd, but investing without comprehension can be risky. Take the time to educate yourself or consult a financial advisor to make informed decisions aligned with your values and goals. Number 7. Fast fashion. Clothes that wear out quickly or go out of style aren't worth the investment. Embrace quality over quantity, investing in timeless pieces that last longer and create a more sustainable wardrobe. It not only saves money in the long run, but also reduces environmental impact. Number 8. High-maintenance expenses. Think twice before splurging on costly beauty treatments. Consider the value of your time and whether the sacrifice aligns with your priorities. Sometimes simpler choices can lead to a happier and more balanced life. Number 9. Excessive holiday spending. In these challenging times, consider scaling back on obligatory gifts. Instead, focus on meaningful gestures, experiences, or charitable contributions that show you care without breaking the bank. And lastly, 10. Mindful spending with a purpose. Every financial decision comes with trade-offs. I weigh each purchase against its potential impact on my long-term goals and financial freedom. By spending with intention, I ensure that my money works hard for me. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope these valuable insights help you make the best choices for your financial well-being. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content, and I'll see you in the next video.